Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make this real estate landing page. By the end of this video, you will be able to make your own landing page with simple steps anyone can follow. Let's dive into the process. First, go to Canva and search for website in the search bar. Choose website under the design types. Use the website layout for scrollable landing pages. The easiest way to get started is by using a ready-made Canva template. This saves you time and gives you a professional-looking design right away. Click on Design, then type Real Estate Landing Page in the search bar. Canva will show you a ready-to-edit templates. Choose one that matches your brand style. I'm going to choose this one. Apply it to the blank pages. You can apply all pages, or you can choose only the pages you like. Once you select a template, you can customize everything, the text, images, and colors to match your real estate brand. Start by adding your own logo. I am going to add one from Elements. I'm going to choose this one. Drag it here. Delete this. Replace with your own images. I am going to add one from Elements. I'm going to choose this one. Now replace the background. I'm going to add a rectangle. Resize it and change the color. Decrease the transparency. Head over to Position, click on Layers. Bring the logo in front. Change the logo color to white. Change to your company name. Place it in the center. Now let's edit the second page. Let's copy and add the same background elements. Select the shape, go to Layer, and send it back. Go to Elements to replace the image or upload your own. I'm going to choose this one. Resize it and drag it up here. Now replace the text with your own. Let's move to the next page. Replace the background with the same previous elements. Replace the background. Change the text color and replace with your own text. You can also change the font and the color as you like to match your brand identity. Now we are going to replace the images. You can upload your own images. I am going to use these from Elements. Resize and organize all the images added. Let's edit the next page. Start by replacing the background. I am going to use this one. Click on Replace Background. Change the text color to increase readability. Make it bold to pop more. Add some text effects. Go to the next page. I am going to replace this image. Let's remove this frame. We don't need it. Resize the image and crop it until you get the best fit. I am going to flip it. Change the background color. Change this color too to match the background. And finally, we are going to edit the last page, but you can add more. Change the background color. Select and ungroup this to change the logo and company name. Add your company name. I am going to add the used logo again, which you can replace with your own. Change the color to white. Place it here and resize it. For the rest of the text, you will need to replace it with your own. You can also add links by right-clicking on the text and choosing Link. Then write the link here. Once your landing page is ready, go to Share to publish it. Scroll down and choose Website. You can use Canva to publish or add your own URL. Click on Publish. And that's it. You have a landing page. Let's check it out. You can click here and edit anything you want. Quick recap of what we have done today. Opened Canva and selected the website design layout. Searched for real estate landing page templates. Applied and customized the template. Replaced logos, text, images, and backgrounds. Used shapes, layers, and transparency for styling. Customized fonts and colors to match branding. Used background removal and flipped images. Added links to text. Published the website directly from Canva. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.